Hello guys, today I am Ayush Kumar and I am welcome to my channel Ayush Kumar. Today I will discuss about a continent. Continent. Today we also know what is the continent. So let's start it. The large continents masses of the land above the sea level are called continents. Con- Continents. The landmass is divided into seven continents, which are the Asia, Antarctica, Australia, North America, Europe, Africa, and South America. We also know South America. Let us know more about it. Asia. Asia it is the largest continent comprising of about 29.6% of the Earth's total land area. In the north is touching the Arctic Ocean, which is very cold throughout the year. In the extreme south, the equator passes through some parts of the continent and where temperature remains high throughout the years. It is bounded by the Pacific Ocean in the east, and it is west separated from the Europe by the Ural Mountain and the Ural River. The continent is divided into several large and small countries. China and India are the two most populous countries of Asia. It is a vast storehouse of agriculture and mineral resources. So let's know about Europe. Europe it is located to the west of Asia. Europe is much smaller in area than Asia. It covers 7% of the total landmass. The Arctic Ocean lies to the north, the Mediterranean Sea to the south, and the Atlantic Ocean lies to the west of Europe. Almost all the countries of Europe are very advanced. They are the economically well developed with developed a high standard of living. Africa. It is the second largest continent and the hottest continent. It is separated from Europe by the Mediterranean Sea in the north. A very narrow piece of land known as Suez Isthmus joins it with Asia in the northeast. It has the famous Suez Canal. The Atlantic Ocean is on its west, and the Indian Ocean on its east. The equator passes through the middle of Africa. The larger part of the Africa lies in the northern hemisphere. The topic of the Cancer and the topic of Capricorn also pass through the Africa. A vast land of North Africa is a desert, and a large area of Africa is covered with the dense forest. North America. It is the third largest continent and lies in the northern hemisphere. The Atlantic Ocean lies to the east and the Pacific Ocean to the west of the continent. The Arctic Ocean makes its boundary in the north. The continents of the North America is linked